Matt Ulery.
Say it again.
I'm Matt Ulery. This is my DJ booth.
He's going to get back for this. So big.
And do I explain how it works first?
Yes, and
Okay.
demonstrate, please.
So I have a crankshaft with a pinwheel bevel gear that goes up into another axle that spins like a vinyl disc that also in turn moves his hand.
Yes, it does.
And then the rubber band reverses the motion on this axle and spins this vinyl the opposite way.
So the rubber band isn't really a rubber band.
No, it's a
Belt drive.
belt drive, yes.
Yes, thank you.
Just making sure you knew. And then there's two axles. So this crankshaft has more cams in it. It has an A cam and then a circular one, as well as a lever that gets pushed up by a cam, which moves his head. And then this one presses an LED button to power the LEDs that flash on him. And then this one moves his foot up and down.
Oh gosh, look at that.
And then there's a linkage from his knee to his elbow, so he pumps his arm.
Yes, there is.
Gets the crowd pumped up. If someone puts pressure on it.
His head is bobbing too.
Yeah, the cam with the lever on it goes up and down, which will press his, or pull his head down. And there's a spring in the neck, which returns it back to where it was.
The only problem is apparently you need two people to actually operate this.
Yeah. Unless I had like a lead base.
So you got two shafts.
Okay, so
You
one.
have cams down here. You have a lever. You have what else?
Pinwheel bevel gear
Ooh,
from the 1800s.
excellent. It's always good to be up on technology.
It is.
Yes. You have a belt drive. You have a linkage somewhere. I can't remember where now.
The linkage is on his leg going up to his elbow.
Yes.
This cam will press up on the button that powers the LEDs. And then this cam controls that follower, which is attached to the bottom of his foot. So it pushes it up and down. And then this cam pushes up on this lever, which in turn, when it drops, pulls down on his head. And then there's also universal joints.
What's this?
Oh, and this is the string that pulls down on his neck. So when it drops, the lever's weighted, so it'll pull down on the head.
Oh, okay.
And then there's universal joints in the wrist and the shoulder to provide movement up and down and side to side.
You didn't say that before.
I forgot about that part.
Crap. Okay, that's too many things. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to disqualify that. Wow. Well, give us one more good crank and. There you go. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.